Well, guys, the holidays are here again. And for so many of us, that means lots of happy times, but it also can mean extra stress. So I wanted to bring just 4 tips for you today that will help you to reduce stress during the holidays so that you can enjoy the season more. So let's dive in. The first thing is to know what your triggers are. We're all different, and there are different aspects of the holiday season that stress each of us out. For some of us, it might be the gift giving part of it, having to do the shopping, having to do the planning, the money aspect of that. For others of us, it might be cleaning the house. It might be the perceived judgment that you'll have from people who are visiting you, or it might be going out to visit other people or business parties or all that sort of thing. For others, it might be the food, having to cook for people, right? Having to bring a dish, or just the added stress of other people. If you're really affected by other people's energy, as other people are stressed, it can make you more stressed. So know what your triggers are. This is really important. The more we understand ourselves, the more we can be our own wellness advocate. And so then when you know what that trigger is, you can also know what helps you to alleviate that stress in that situation. So if you're worried about having your house cleaned on time for all of the guests, what are some ways that you can make that less stressful? Get other people to help. Do some deep breathing and releasing on caring about whether people are judging your house or not, right? If it's about the food aspect of it, maybe it's cooking food, or maybe it's worried about whether or not you're going to overindulge. Have those things that work for you. For me personally, it's oils, crystals, and affirmation. I will wear the crystal that is going to help me to relieve stress. I've got my lapis lazuli on today. Really helps to calm me. If you have those crystals and you have those oils, peace and calming, stress away, lavender, all those good ones, and an affirmation that goes along with whatever that trigger is, that can really help you to pull yourself back from that stress scenario. So once you understand your trigger and you know what your tools are to help you to relieve that stress in the moment, the second thing is bring those tools with you, right? So I have my essential oils bag that I carry way more than are supposed to be in there, but I carry all of my essential oils that I need all the time. That's just always with me. I also have, I'm going to make noise here, one of these little velvet bags with the different crystals in it. I keep my chakra set with me all the time. And of course, I'm always wearing my jewelry, right? You have jewelry that has crystals for different scenarios. So in the morning, if I know I'm going into a stressful situation, I just go ahead and put that crystal on. So you have those ready for you. You can post up your affirmation in a place where you'll see it so that you'll actually be using it. Always have your tools with you. That way, you're not stuck in a situation without easy ways to relieve the stress. The third thing, stay focused on the reason for the season. Now, this might sound obvious, but it's really not that easy. If you're feeling bombarded by the media, if you're feeling bombarded by advertising, by other people's, feelings about the way the holidays need to go, it can be overwhelming. So for you, what is the thing that brings you joy, that brings you happiness, that brings you peace, that brings you love during the holidays? Is it about exchanging gifts? That's it for some people. Or is it about just expressing love? Is it about community, gathering? Is it about taking time away from the other focuses and just putting them on family, putting them on love, putting them on gratitude, putting them on, celebrating your particular religious holidays? Whatever it is for you, you get to choose. Focus on your reason for the season, and you can create an affirmation around that. My reason for joy during the holidays is, and there you go. Just repeat that to yourself anytime you start to feel stressed out by the stuff that really doesn't have to be that important. And for our fourth and last tip is start your day right. The energy that you put into the beginning of your day has a huge effect on your energy in the afternoon and evening. It starts that ball rolling. So personally, I always start my day with my manifesting journal by writing out, what am I grateful for today? And then my intention is, when I get set, focused with that gratitude energy, and I know clearly in my mind what I want to accomplish today, that makes it so much easier to have no distraction as I move forward, to not have my energy focused in other ways, and to not have unnecessary friction as I move through my day. So we've got 1, know your trigger and what you can do about it. 2, bring those tools with you. 3, stay focused on the reason for the season. And 4, start your day right. Whatever works for you. For me, it's that manifesting journal. For you, it might be meditation, praying, whatever it is that works for you. Start your day right. That will give you the best chance of finishing it right. All right, guys, hope that helps. Wishing you all a very, very happy, joyful, blessed, and peaceful holiday season. And I'll talk to you soon.